New tonight, nearly 2 years after a targeted investigation into the death of a Muskegon County Jail inmate, 4 guards and a jail nurse were charged today with his death.
The Attorney General opened its investigation into the death of Paul Bolthouse in response to Target 8 reports that showed he'd suffered repeated seizures in a close observation cell without medical treatment.
Target 8 investigator Ken Colker has the developments from the Muskegon County Jail.
The inmate's father says he hopes that the involuntary manslaughter charges will expose more about what he calls the inhumane and faulty care that led to his son's death.
Well, after the first police sham investigation, I never thought anything would be done, so I'm at least pleased to hear that somebody is taking it seriously.
The sheriff first announced that 39-year-old Paul Bolthouse died a natural death on April 4th, 2019, with no wrongdoing.
Doesn't give you a whole lot of confidence in the people in charge.
But a targeted investigation uncovered that his son had suffered 17 seizures that went ignored in a cell that required frequent observation.
They were supposed to be monitoring him every, 15 minutes or so, and there were long periods, some of them, I think, an hour and a quarter, where they never even looked at him. And then when they saw him actually having seizures, they did nothing then either.
Surveillance video obtained by Target 8 showed a guard watching one of those seizures, then walking away. Target 8 also learned that the jail had cut off the medication that was meant to keep Bolthouse from suffering seizures. Our investigation led the Muskegon County prosecutor to ask Attorney General Dana Nessel to handle the case. Today, the guards and nurse were arraigned in Muskegon County District Court. Court records identify them as Jeffrey Patterson, the guard who watched that seizure, Crystal Grave, Jamal Lane, Sergeant David Vanderlaan, and registered nurse Aubrey Schatz. Schatz works for WellPath, an out-of-state company that provides medical care at the jail.
Well, I think they ought to get the maximum sentence.
They could face up to 15 years in prison. Today, we tried to reach Sheriff Michael Poland for comment.
I've been told to refer everybody to the Attorney General's office.
He issued a press release saying he has reassigned his guards. He also said that his department has been, quote-unquote, completely transparent with investigators and the public. But Marcel Benavides, the attorney who filed a multi-million-dollar federal lawsuit on behalf of the family, questions that. He says that he has asked for surveillance video in the days leading up to the death, but that the sheriff refuses to release it.
Court records show that all 5 were released on $10,000 bonds. Tomorrow morning, the Attorney General will hold a press conference to talk about her investigation. In Muskegon, I'm Target 8 investigator Ken Colker.